So let's get into our calibration environment. First, we'd like to have an area that's stable in temperature, and you'll find that your standards and your calibration results will behave better in a well-controlled environment. Our internal requirements here at Teledyne Hastings is that our lab temperature must be 23°C plus or minus 3°C, or about 73 Fahrenheit plus or minus 6 Fahrenheit. But one other consideration, you would like to have your bench, your calibration bench, far away from doorways and activity. In fact, when discussing this with Jamie, he pointed out that the Cal Lab at Shell Instruments actually has a flashing light to warn people outside of the room when they have a calibration underway. Humidity requirements are fairly basic, 0 to 80% non-condensing. And if you're going to be in a low humidity environment or you're going to be handling PC boards, you should use an ESD wrist strap to protect the electronics from static discharges. Now you'll see in this picture that we're using an Ethernet connected instrument. It's a Model I THX-SD. It continually monitors and records our temperature and humidity. And that's convenient because we're going to record these numbers on our calibration test report, which we're going to discuss later. Now you don't have to automate collection of the temperature and humidity, but you're definitely going to want to note it in your calibration records. Also, another thing about the environment, depending upon the type of flow standard that you're using, you should consider an area that is free from vibration, like you might get from a compressor or a vacuum pump. Okay, finally, a word about cleanliness. Now, mass flow controllers can have very small passageways in their valves. And what I've shown here is an orifice from a low flow controller. The orifice here is the nominal 0.02 of an inch. You can see the hole there in the middle of the circle. That's the orifice. And I've placed a 1/2 mil wire, which is about 10 microns, to show you how a piece of debris can interface with the works of an MFC. So you want to keep your area clean. Wipe down your flow bench often, and consider wearing gloves. Now, I looked this up on the internet. A human hair can actually be as large as 181 microns. That's over 7/1000 of an inch. So you might want to use a hairnet and perhaps wear a lab jacket when working on instruments.